Let's take a look at this Zerolemon USB charging and sync cable. Zerolemon makes quite a few unique cables. This is their lightning cable. It works with any of these devices or any device that has a lightning port. Again, these are Apple certified cables, so you can sync them or charge them at full speed. It's a short cable, so this will come handy while traveling. This will come handy when charging with portable batteries. You don't have to carry that big Apple cable. Again, because it's so small, you can actually put this in like this without having to worry about cables getting tangled. This also has a nylon mesh on it, so it will not get damaged easily. These cables mostly get damaged at this area, but as you can see, they have extended the plastic a little bit further, so chances of you getting damaged wire is quite less. They also make metal tipped ones if you are interested. This also comes in quite a few colors. They also have the lightning port cable in flat cable style, so there are quite a few options you can choose from. These are priced between $10 to $15 or around 600 to 800 rupees, and you can get them in many colors and in many styles, so check them out. Quite nice. Check it out.